What are you making, Oni?
Volcano.
Okay, and what have you got in your hand?
Lava.
Oh no, don't swirl it around because it very turn your head red. Okay, ready? Now very slowly pour it into the volcano. Squirt it in. That's it, very slowly. Okay, it's good. It's loads, that's loads. Now.
It's
Exploding now? Oh, it's coming, look. It's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's coming out. Oh, we've got a volcano. Ew.
A volcano.
What's that, Oni?
Volcano.
No, it's okay. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, no, don't. It'll ruin your thing. Oh no, is Emily going to get covered in lava? Ah, lava!
Look, I'll show you it. It's eating, look.
How do you make it, Ollie?
We use all those ingredients. Yeah.
Wow. What's the rest of it?
Red food colouring. Red food colouring.